So landed in Prague a few hours ago and checked into our hotel, the Grand Michelangelo Hotel, the Michelangelo Grand Hotel. Booked a suite room, which is really nice. And now we're just walking around Prague, getting our bearings. And my first impressions, I'm really liking Prague. The city itself is really, really beautiful, absolutely stunning. The architecture everywhere is amazing. We've kind of taken a walk into the new town and we got to see like the dancing house, which is almost like a juxtaposition against the kind of old traditional architecture. You've got this real contemporary building. Now we're just strolling along the river and making our way into the old town. The river itself is so picturesque. You can see like people on their pedalos. We're definitely going to do that over the next couple of days. Yeah, definitely the pedalo will be a good way of like sightseeing and enjoying the beautiful river, because this place is absolutely stunning. It's quite spacious. It's bigger than what I thought it would be. Like the roads and the sidewalks are really spacious. As we're making our way into the old town from the new town, it's actually getting busier and busier, like more people. We're going to keep walking and see what we come across next. So we've just left the Robotic Bar and we had a couple of cocktails made by a robot, essentially. I don't think people need to worry about AI taking over the world, because they still needed a human to add the limes and the garnish to the drinks and actually serve the drinks. But it's a pretty cool experience. The bar is just around the corner from St. Charles's Bridge, so we just passed by it. I think we're going to come back tomorrow morning when it's less busy. Right now it's like really crowded. So it's actually day 2 now, but I didn't get to finish up the impressions last night because it was getting dark. But after just having a quick look at the the entrance to the Charles Bridge, we made our way down this little alleyway which had a number of like shops and cafes. We eventually settled at a restaurant where we had like the local beer, some like local cuisine, and then I finished off with a little bit of sherry. From there we went to another shop to try the chimney cakes. My friend got the one with peanut and ice cream inside, and I got the plain one with just pistachio. And actually that was just a pleasant way of like wrapping up the evening. We was pretty much tired because we'd obviously travelled and then was walking around the city. But overall, it was like a pretty good first impression of Prague. But today we're just going to be exploring the city a bit more in detail. We've got up quite early so that we could visit Charles's Bridge when there are less people there. We're going to make our way to the astrological clock now and continue with like our day 2 activities.